So I'm at the stage in this project where it's time to sand some parts up, do the roundovers, all that stuff. In this case, this is the Fremont chair, run of 6 chairs. These are the lower stretchers, front legs, side seat rails. Once I sand these parts up, I'm going to lose my markings for orientation. So I'm going to have to remark them someplace that's out of the way and not seen. And I have my own way of marking things. You don't have to copy me, but you need to find something that works for you. I don't even keep my method the same. It's always kind of changing a little bit. Sometimes just from part to part, sometimes at whim. It doesn't matter. You just need to pick a part up and know what you're going to do with it. Because the next step is glue up, and that's always stressful. So during the glue up, you need to have as many sub-assemblies as you can put in there. And every time you pick up a part, you need to know exactly where it goes. No second thoughts. So let's zoom in, and I'll show you how I marked each part and why. So this is the lower stretchers. As you can see, on the end of that floating tenon right there, there's a 5. That's pair number 5. On the right side, there's a red R. On the left side, there's a blue L. Up here, there's a little green mark. That tells me it's up. So when I grab this part, this goes to the right side into the back of the chair. And this guy, being the left, goes in that mortise, and that's up. So I know that instantly. That allows me to pick this part up, know exactly where it goes. So here's the front legs. You can see this is pair number 3. There's the red R again, the blue L, and now I've got hash marks right there. That tells me that's just an extra level of real quick pick it up, and I'm oriented. Now the front legs are going to be another sub-assembly. They'll get that front rail glued to them next. So when I pick this guy up, orient it like this, and all I've got to do is open it up like that, glue, close it back up, and glue it to those the front rail. So that's easy. So here's the side seat rails. Again, the pair number, in this case, number 6. Blue L for left. Red R for right. And you notice I do not have an up, like I did on those stretchers. I don't have a mark up here that tells me which side's up. That's because it's obvious. This has got that big cloud lifted arch right here. So I have another visual right away. I know which is up. It's this side here. And again, it's the same as the lower stretchers. Grab it, put it in its respective mortise, and we're in business. So it's important to mark things. It makes glue up a lot less stressful.